The 4 elements for creating a YouTube video. To create a video for YouTube, 4 elements or components are necessary. These 4 elements are required for every video that you create and upload on YouTube, regardless of whether you have a faceless or a regular channel. Number 1, script. Number 2, voiceover. Number 3, video. And finally, number 4, thumbnail picture. Let's briefly discuss each of these elements. Script. Writing the script is the first and most important step. You cannot make a YouTube video without a script. A script is a detailed written document that outlines the entire content, dialogue, and structure of a video that you intend to upload. A script basically comprises of the spoken dialogue. This includes not only what you are going to say, but also any narration that accompanies the video visuals. A well-prepared and well-written script forms the foundation of a successful YouTube video. It provides direction, clarity, and shows professionalism, ultimately enhancing the overall viewer experience. Voiceover. A voiceover is when someone talks over a video, explaining what's happening or providing additional information about the video. A voiceover provides context, an explanation, or commentary to complement the on-screen visuals. This also includes background music and sound effects to further enhance the audiovisual experience of the viewer. A voiceover is the second most important component of a YouTube video, contributing to its effectiveness, engagement, and overall success. Video. A video consists of visual elements, which can be in the form of static images, animation, or dynamic footage or visuals. Collectively, these elements convey information, entertainment, or any desired message to the viewers. Creating visually compelling videos is key to attracting and retaining viewers on YouTube. Thumbnail picture. A thumbnail picture in YouTube is an image that represents the video. The thumbnail picture is displayed alongside its title and description, wherever it appears on YouTube. Thumbnails are often the first thing potential viewers see when browsing YouTube. Thumbnails serve as a visual representation of your video and helps viewers decide whether to click and watch the video or not. Investing time and effort into creating attention-grabbing and relevant thumbnails can significantly enhance the success of your YouTube channel. Once you combine a script with a voiceover, then add a video and finally create a thumbnail picture, you have a video that is ready to be uploaded on YouTube. As we progress further through this course, we're going to discuss each of these 4 elements in much greater detail. We now know that to create any video for YouTube requires 4 elements. There are a number of ways to accomplish these tasks, namely script writing, adding a voiceover, video creation, and finally, making a thumbnail picture. There are 4 ways or methods to accomplish these tasks. Number 1. Do it yourself. Handle all the tasks yourself internally. Number 2. Outsource everything. In this method, we delegate all the tasks to external freelancers. Number 3. Hybrid approach. In this approach, we outsource tasks which require specialized skills and manage the rest of the tasks internally by yourself. Number 4. Use artificial intelligence to automate all of these tasks. Let's discuss each of these methods. Do it yourself, DIY. Managing all tasks by yourself involves overseeing the entire project from start to finish. This includes writing the script, recording the voiceover, creating the video, and designing the thumbnail picture. This can only be done if you possess the necessary skills. With a bit of effort, you can easily manage all the tasks such as script writing, voiceover, creating visuals, and designing your own thumbnails. Fortunately, since this is a YouTube masterclass, further on in this course, we are going to actually show you how to do all these tasks yourself. Outsource everything. In this method, we simply delegate all the tasks to external freelancers. If you are starting a new YouTube channel and have the required budget, you can simply outsource all the tasks. You can easily find and hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork. These freelancers are paid a fixed flat rate for their work starting from $10 to $15 per task. However, it is essential to have a thorough understanding of how to perform these tasks yourself before considering to outsource them. That is why we have covered this in details in the forthcoming chapters of this course. Only after you have gained a solid grasp of each task involved in creating YouTube content, you can easily and effectively communicate your requirements to any outsourced team or freelancer. This ensures that the final content created aligns with your vision and meets your expectations. Additionally, understanding these tasks helps you to troubleshoot any issues that may arise during the outsourcing of these tasks. Hybrid approach. In this method, we outsource tasks which require specialized skills and manage the rest of the tasks internally by ourselves. If you are facing budgetary constraints, then do not outsource all the tasks. By outsourcing those tasks that fall outside your core competencies, you can focus on what you do best. For example, many channel owners try to do certain tasks like script writing themselves and outsource only those tasks which require specialized or technical knowledge. Using artificial intelligence or AI. Alternatively, we can also use artificial intelligence software to automate all of these above tasks. AI-powered tools such as ChatGPT can assist in generating scripts and suggest content ideas. Utilizing AI-powered tools such as 11 Labs enables the replication of human voices with exceptional precision, providing a variety of accents, tones, and emotions. AI-powered video creation platforms allow users to generate images and videos automatically from simple text prompts. They can also be used to generate thumbnails. In video AI, Synthesia, Bing Image Creator are just some of the AI-powered video creation platforms out there. There are other platforms like Sora, which can create realistic scenes from simple text instructions. Sora, at the time of making of this video, was still not accessible to the general public. However, it is one of the best AI video generation platforms out there. Let's see what Sora is capable of as an example of the power of AI. This is a video made by AI of a woman walking down the street in Tokyo. Nothing you see in this video is real. It is all made by AI. Let's see this video over here. This looks like a drone shot. All this is made with AI. It is not real. The river, the houses, horses, people, trees, the landscape is all generated by AI. Had I not told you, you probably would have thought this was a clip of an old movie. Now, just imagine the expenses involved in shooting a video about American history in real life for your YouTube channel. It would be a lot cheaper to use AI than real persons for creating similar footage. Although using AI typically comes with a higher price tag as compared to the other methods, the swift progress in AI technology and the growing realism of its content creation suggest that leveraging AI in the near future could ultimately be a more cost-effective option than employing human labor. Just consider the Sora clip we just viewed. Now, imagine the expenses associated with filming a scene depicting the 1800s gold rush in California. In numerous cases, utilizing AI is a lot cheaper than you think. The debate of choosing between AI-generated content and regular stock footage is gaining more significance among content creators. Rest assured, we'll guide you through mastering all these skills. They're all part of this YouTube Master course. And don't worry, it's easy, anyone can do it. You don't need a degree in data science for these skills. Fundamental terminologies and concepts of YouTube. There are a few definitions and terminologies that we need to cover before we proceed any further. Don't worry, they are simple, but you need to understand them as these metrics are used by YouTube to assess the quality of the uploaded videos. CTR stands for click-through rate. It is officially called impressions click-through rate by YouTube. It is measured in percentage. The formula for calculating is as follows. CTR equals to the number of clicks or views divided by the number of impressions multiplied by 100. CTR measures the percentage of viewers who click on a video's thumbnail to watch the video after seeing it in their feed or search results. It does not matter if the video was viewed till the end or seen only for a few seconds, as CTR only takes into consideration whether your video was clicked or not. Therefore, when calculating CTR, the only relevant consideration is whether people actually clicked on the thumbnail to watch the video. A higher CTR, like 10% or higher, typically suggests that the video is appealing to the target audience. However, a lower CTR of 2%, 3%, or 4% indicates that the video is not appealing to the audience, and that adjustments need to be made both to the thumbnail and/or title to improve viewer engagement. In other words, if YouTube shows your video thumbnail to 100 people and only 2 people click it, then your CTR is 2%, which is pretty bad. If a video consistently receives a low CTR, it is highly likely that YouTube's algorithms may reduce its visibility. On the other hand, if your video is shown to 100 people and 10 people click on it, then the CTR is 10%, which is pretty good. A high CTR indicates that a significant percentage of viewers who see your video's thumbnail and title are clicking on it. YouTube interprets this as a signal that your video is compelling and relevant to viewers, which can lead to increased visibility in recommendations, and YouTube is likely to keep promoting it to relevant audiences. Therefore, a higher CTR percentage is an important metric for content creators as it indicates how effective their thumbnails and titles are at attracting viewers' attention and motivating them to watch the video. By using an attractive thumbnail picture, as well as a matching title that is catchy and relevant, you can increase your CTR. After uploading your video on YouTube, to check its CTR, you'll need to navigate to YouTube Studio. Detailed instructions on this will follow later in the course. For now, understanding what CTR represents is sufficient. Average view duration. Average view duration on YouTube refers to the average amount of time viewers spend watching a video. It is a metric that measures the average length of time viewers remain engaged with a video before clicking away or exiting. For example, if your video has a very good CTR of 15% and the total length of the video is for 10 minutes, YouTube also takes into consideration of how long was the average view duration of your video. If your total video duration is 10 minutes, but the average view duration is only 1 minute, that is considered unfavorable in terms of YouTube performance. Average view duration is also displayed in the YouTube Studio. Therefore, even if the YouTube algorithm detects a CTR of 15% for a video, which is really good if the average view duration of a 10-minute video is only 1 minute, YouTube is going to say, "Hang on, wait, there is something wrong with this video." If viewers are clicking on your video based on an enticing thumbnail and title, but then quickly exiting or abandoning the video, it suggests a mismatch between what they expected and what they actually received in terms of content. This could be due to a misleading thumbnail or title, poor content quality, or an unappealing introduction due to which viewers lose interest. This is precisely why many YouTubers, particularly influencers, often encourage viewers to watch their videos until the end. They may mention surprises, exciting news, or announce giveaways and lucky draws as incentives to keep viewers engaged throughout the entire video. This is all done to increase their average view duration. The aim here is to make the viewers watch the entire video. Watch time. Watch time on YouTube refers to the total amount of time viewers spend watching a video or a collection of videos on a specific channel. It is important to be clear on the difference between average view duration and watch time. Average view duration focuses on the length of time viewers spend watching an individual video. On the other hand, watch time measures the total duration of viewer engagement across all the videos on a specific channel or within a playlist. Watch time is calculated by summing up the total duration, in minutes, that viewers spend watching videos on a specific channel. This includes both the time spent watching a single video and the cumulative time spent across multiple videos on a specific channel or within a playlist. Watch time is a critical metric used by YouTube to measure the overall engagement and popularity of a channel. Watch time is an important factor in YouTube's algorithm for recommending videos to users. YouTube prefers content creators that are able to keep viewers for longer periods on the YouTube platform. Therefore, channels and videos with higher watch time are more likely to be promoted by YouTube and recommended to a wider audience, leading to increased visibility and potential for growth. Strategies to improve watch time may include creating longer videos, optimizing video content to maintain viewer interest, and making different playlists to encourage binge watching. Example: a new YouTube channel has uploaded only 3 videos with the following duration: Video A 10 minutes long, Video B 5 minutes long, Video C 15 minutes long. If a viewer watches Video A for 5 minutes, Video B for 3 minutes, and Video C for 10 minutes, the watch time for each video and the overall watch time for the channel would be calculated as follows. Watch time for Video A is 5 minutes. Watch time for Video B is 3 minutes. Watch time for Video C is 10 minutes. Overall watch time for the channel: 5 minutes plus 3 minutes plus 10 minutes equals to 18 minutes. So, in this example, the total watch time for the channel is 18 minutes, which represents the cumulative duration of viewer engagement across all 3 videos. Let us quickly recap. All YouTube content creators should focus on these 3 metrics: CTR, average view duration, and watch time. A high CTR is important for YouTube. By having an attractive thumbnail picture as well as a matching title that is catchy and relevant, you can increase your CTR. The next metric that YouTube takes into consideration is average view duration. A higher average view duration is also very important. If both CTR and average view duration are higher, the chances of your video to go viral are also higher. This is due to the combined impact of a high CTR and average view duration, which collaboratively boosts the overall watch time on YouTube. The YouTube algorithm also identifies this pattern, resulting in more algorithmic promotion. Therefore, achieving higher values in all these 3 metrics is crucial, as they reflect increased viewer engagement and retention, ultimately contributing to the success of the channel. It is also important to understand the following. A video can have a higher click-through rate, CTR, but a lower watch time and average view duration due to several factors: misleading thumbnails or titles, unengaging content, clickbait tactics, irrelevant content, unappealing content, incomplete content, poor start of the video, technical glitches like poor audio or video. It's important not to mislead your YouTube viewers, because if they leave your video early, although your CTR may appear acceptable, your average view duration and watch time will decrease. This signals to the YouTube algorithm that there's a problem. YouTube requires all 3 metrics, CTR, average view duration, and watch time, for a video to go viral and for its content to be promoted on the platform.